A male driver is pulled over by a cop and the following conversation takes place. Man: what's the problem, officer? Cop: you were going at least 75 in a 55 zone. Man: no sir, I was going 65. Wife: oh Harry, you were going 80. Man gives his wife a dirty look. Cop: I'm also going to give you a ticket for your broken tail light. Man: broken tail light? I didn't know about a broken tail light. Wife: oh Harry, you've known about that tail light for weeks. Man gives his wife a dirty look. Cop: I'm also going to give you a citation for not wearing your seatbelt. Man: oh, I just took it off when you were walking up to the car. Wife: oh Harry, you never wear your seatbelt. Man: shut your mouth, woman. Cop: Mom, does your husband always talk to you this way? Wife: no, only when he's drunk.